If I start talking now, okay. Okay, we back to the business. We are recording now with no students, but I still got my students in front here. Okay, so we are going to discuss for our questions number 10 over here. Okay, the diagram shows a circle with center O, straight line A. Girls, what does it mean by tangent? What does it mean by ABC is a tangent? Means that over here at B here with our O is going to be 90 degree. Okay. This one, line OB here. Okay. Is going to be 90 degree. It's not going to tell you it's going to be 90 degree. You are the one who has to know that. Okay. When it stated over here is a tangent. Okay. Okay, so the questions over here, find the value of y plus 30 degree. Okay, if you look over here, okay, I'm going to zoom in over here. Okay, we are going to find y first. If you look in our diagram over here, did we want, oh sorry, can we find our y? Okay. If you look what the question gave to us there, we have, can we find this one? The little triangle over here. How do you get 50? 90 minus weight 75, you are going to get 15 degree over here, isn't it? They're going to be 15 degree. Okay, next. What do you get over there? Can I find for this one? D here. What can you relate with the angle at our center there? 240. 240? D. D here. 90? For this one, I repeat over here. If you remember, if the angle at our center with the same length over here, oh sorry, this one is going to be the same length. So the angle over here at the center is going to be twice the angle at the tip there. So means that for our D over here, you can find from 120 divided by 2 there. So it's going to be 60 degree. Okay. Next, what should I find next? Can I find the angle at O there? Yes, 240. Yes, good. Which is this one. If you look over here, the remaining at our center there, this is going to be 360 minus with 240. You are going to get 240 pula, 120. So if you look over there, you are going to have, what is this? For our B, D, E, and O over here. What type is that? Quadrilaterals. So we can know that if triangle is 180, the what? The sum of interior angles. So for quadrilateral, 360 means that I can find from here the angle at B, which is 15 degree, plus with the angle at D there, 60 degree, plus with the angle at O there, which is 240 degree, and the angle that we are going to find here at Y here, isn't it? and 60 degree. Can I find my y? It's going to be 45 degree. Okay, 15 plus 60 plus 240, you are going to bring to the right side. So yes, 360 minus with 315, you are going to get y here 45. Is it your answer? Not yet. Look at the question. Yes, the question is asking for y plus 30 means that you are going to get 45 plus with 30, you are going to get 75 degree. That's going to be your answer. If you, yes? Oh, I thought so hard. This one, okay, please. Please switch off the aircon. Ah. Okay, if you your answer here you state as 45 degree is not the final answer. 75 degree. Okay. Can I move to the next question? Yes. Okay. Is there anyone joining us? I think no, right? Okay, no problem. Got lah. Assalamualaikum dia. Got someone joining us. Thank you for joining us, dia. Oh, she only. Okay, thank you. Okay. So we look at questions number 11 over here. Okay. There is a cube X container. What does it mean by cube? What does it mean by cube? Square. Every length is going to be the same, isn't it? Okay, cube. Okay, with sides of 3p. If you look over here, the side for our x here is going to be 3p square cube. Cube y container with sides of 2p negative 3q square. Means that we have two different sides here, cube x and cube y. Calculate the product of volume between container x and container y divided by the area of container y. We look at the questions here. Calculate the product of volume first. Okay. First of all, if you look over here, we have our what we call a cube x over here. This is cube x with the side of 3p square cube. This one must be the same lah, every side. And we have cube y. Okay, cube y. Okay. 2p negative 3 and also q square. Okay. Okay. So the questions here, I'm going to find volume between container X and container Y. Means that for the volume here, I have to product. Product means what? Times. Isn't it? So if you look over here, can I find the volume for X first? Volume for our X. How to find volume? 3p square q. You are going, how to find volume? Q, isn't it? So means that everything here, okay, is mean times width times height. So if you look over here, it is a cube, so means that it's going to be the same. So can I just put over here as cube? Isn't it? Okay. So if you look over here, this is indices, isn't it? Yes. So you have over here 3 with our cube over here. So means that 3 cube. cube 9? How come 3 cube 9? Yes, you are going to have 27. How come 3 cube is 9? So this one you are going to get 27. After that, p square over here you are going to get p square. 2 times 3, you're going to get 6, isn't it? Q. Okay. That's for our volume X. Now I want to find my volume Y. So it's going to be the same, 2p negative 3q square. So you are going to have the same one because volume, right? Okay. So first, if 2q, what do you get? 8. After that, p negative 3 with 3 there, you are going to get p negative 9 and q negative 9, 3, 3. 339. Yeah. Sorry. Q 2 over here, you are going to get 6. Okay. Can you understand? For our indices over here, that's going to be our volume. The question just now saying volume between container X and container Y means that I have to find the product. Means that I have to, what happened here? Yes, I have to times both of my volume here first. So, tak nampak. You cannot see. Okay. So, what you have over here, 27 times 8, isn't it? What do you get? 216. Okay, so you are going, I just put over here, 216. Okay, if I have over here p to the power of 6 times with p to the power of negative 9. 6 and negative 9. Huh? Yes, not So it's going to be negative 3. And our q here, q to the power of 3 times with 6 there, you are going to get our indices here is going to be plus 3 plus 6, 9. That's going to be the product of volume X and volume Y. Can you understand? Okay, now we look back at the question. We're not finished yet. Why? Because if you look over here, we have what? Divided by the area of container Y. Now we have to find area for container Y. So 2p negative 3q square, you are going to have square, isn't it? Area. Okay, so we find it. P negative 3 and 2 over here. What do you get? Yes, you are going to get P negative 6. And then Q square over here, you are going to get Q with the power of 4. Isn't it? Okay. So just now, what did the question ask? Divided with our area, isn't it? So I'm going to put here divided with everything there. P 4p negative 6 Q 4. Okay. Solve already? Not yet. This one. Solving lah. Okay. So 216 with our 4 over here. Divided. 216 divided by 4. 50? 54. Are you sure? Okay, 54. P negative 3. Negative? Negative 3. Negative 3 minus negative 6. So you got what? You are going to solve this one. Negative 3 over here and negative 6 means what? Means you are having this one is minus with negative 6. So what happened here? Plus, so you are going to get P3, isn't it? Okay. How about our Q? 5. Wait. 2 square 4, 27 and 8. 27 times 8, 216. 27 times 8. 27 times 8, class. Where's my calculator? 216 divided by 4, you got 50. Here, you are going to get for Q here 9 minus with 4. So you are going to get Q here is 5. So this is going to be your answer. No need, I got my recording here so you can view from the recording and pause after that. So late because we are running out of time here. We are trying to finish. If not, you are not going to cover tomorrow with your other discussion, isn't it? Off the aircon. Dia, can you understand Dia?
Sir, nak tanya,
Ha.
yang dekat area Y tu, kenapa tak letak cube? Kenapa jadi square?
Because area, how to find area? How to find area, Dia? Dia, isn't it?
Ya.
Panjang darat lebar, betul tak?
Betul.
Means that's why only square lah. Kalau cube, panjang, darat lebar, darat tinggi kan? That's why kita letak cube.
Oh, faham.
Can
Kan, sir.
Okay. So, that's it for our questions over here. Okay. We are going to look at the next question, can Okay. Mrs. Rosiana has a gold necklace weighing 32.4 gram. The original gold price is 198 ringgit. Taking into account the rise in gold price by 18% per year. What is the price of Mrs. Rosiana gold necklace after 2 years? Provide final answer in the standard form correct to 6 significant of our questions here. Sorry. Going to move it to the next. Okay. So what we have over here, I'm going to put here. Okay, what we have over here, class? Yeah, of course, my wife there, Rosiana. Okay. So what should you know from our story here? If you look here, the price of the gold is 198 per gram, isn't it? She bought for 32.4 gram. So can I find the price of the gold that she bought that time? It's going to be 32.4 times with 198, isn't it? Okay. So the yes, buying price. Sorry, the original buying price. Okay, buying price here is going to be how much? 6,450 cents. Okay, this is RM, yes. Okay. Now, if you look over here, the price gonna up or gonna rise 18% per year. So 1 year, 18%. So the question here, what is the price after 2 years? 18 times 2. Wow, 36%? How come you get 36%? We are not going to times that one. We are going to times separately. Going to take, okay. So after that, you can find 18% after 5 years, 18 times 5. How much you get? Wow, so many. Cannot like that. Means that the price, we are going to find the, what we call? Rise. Rise in percentage over here is 18%. Times with the total of the price over here is 6,450 ringgit and 20 cents. You are going to get? First? 1,154 ringgit. 74 lah. Right? Cannot 736 because it's going to be cents there. Okay, that one for 1 year. So if 2 years, yes, this one for 1 year. So for the second year is going to be 1,154 ringgit 7. 309. 47 cents. Okay, so if I want to find the price after that, is going to be? Done? No. The original price 6,000. The gold rise for our second here, it rise until 2,000. Now the price of the gold drop. You are going to plus lah both of these, isn't it? So what we call the price. She's not saying, but the price after 2 years, isn't it? This is what we call invest in gold. Invest it in gold. So from 6,450 ringgit 20 cent, we are going to plus with price after 2 years is going to be 8,724 67 cents. Okay. The question, if you look over here, asking us to put in the standard form, correct to 6 significant figures. What does it mean by standard form over here? After we have the price there, you are going to have this one in ringgit, of course lah. Okay, this one we have the in ringgit. So the question want us into standard form. Okay, convert into standard form. So it's going to be moved 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So it's going to be the answer here 8.72467 times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3. To the left is wait. I change into standard form first, and then asking for 6 significant figures, isn't it? So if 6 significant figure, we have how many over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, 6, right? Already, right? What is standard form? A times with 10 power of n. This one move to the left. 1, 2, 3.
If the thing is 80,724.
So if move to the right, hey, hello, this one you already learned, right?
Yeah.
Wake up, wake up, wake up. If girl 1, 4, 5. If I want to convert in standard form, it's going to move to the right, isn't it? 1, 2. So we are going to get 3.145. What happened to my pen? 1, oh, it's glitching. 1, 4, glitch. 3, 1, what? Times 10. Negative 2 because we move to the right. If you move to the left, it's going to times with positive there, our end. Can you? Dia? Can dia? What is no?
If she asking what if there's no or decimal point.
Oh, that's it lah. Oh, means that is going to be, okay, for example, your friend asked here, no decimal points means 1,234, like this.
Yeah.
Isn't it? No decimal point. If I want to put in a standard form, isn't it? So where is your decimal point? It's going to be behind here. 1, 2, 3. You move to the left, isn't it? It's going to be 1.234 times, alamak. Yeah, times 10. 10 power of 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay, that's going to be our questions number 12. Can class? Standard form. Okay, the last question for today. Your paper, isn't it? Okay. Where's my face? There. The outstanding balance of Faizal credit card statement dated 17 January, okay, 2020 is 4,800. The interest-free period is 20 days from the statement date. 20 days. After 20 days, it's going to be interest. Okay, because this one interest-free period. Okay. Faizal does not make any payment for January. Ayo, Faizal. Okay. He didn't make any payment for January. The statement date here is 17 January. Okay, the credit card issuer charged a financial charge of an annual interest rate of 15% on the daily balance on daily rate. Means it's going to be 15% for the daily rate there. The credit card issuer also charged as on the next statement date. If Faizal does not use his credit card after the last transaction on the January statement, calculate his credit card outstanding balance on the statement date 17 February. Means that from 17 January to 17 February is going to be how many days? 30 days, isn't it? So it means that interest-free period is 20 days. So it means that it's going to be how many days? It's going to be there? January to to 17 February. How many days?
30 days.
Okay. 17 January to 17 February. How many days? 30 or 31? Because January is 31, so it's going to be 31 days. So no, until 17 February. 17 February. Isn't it? It's going to be 31 days, isn't it? Yes. So 31 days minus with interest free period over here 20 days means that the interest gonna charge over here only for 11 days. Am I right? Yeah. Because 31 divided by 20. Okay. We are going to find how many days here. Why? Because the rate interest rate over here is going to be 50% for the daily rate, isn't it? Am I right?
Yes.
So how did I want to find the interest here?
So you know.
Interest pula. Charges as a financial charge over here. Financial charges is going to be 15%. Okay. 4,000, isn't it? The outstanding here is 4,000. What does it mean by daily rate? From 365 days, isn't it? The daily here is going to be 11 days. So we are going to times by 11 over 365 days. Daily rate over here. So, can you find for the financial charge here? 21 ringgit. Huh?
I got the answer 76.
70. Did everyone got the same? Oh, glitch.
Why is it
21 ringgit and 70 cent. Got it? Okay, that one, yes. What happened? Can. ABC there. Just press ABC.
70 guys.
Yalah, round off. Okay, now, if you look over here, okay, we are going to look at our late payment charge also. This one. The credit card also charge a minimum late payment charge. Okay, we are going to look for 1% lah, this one. Okay, of course, it's going to be more than 10 ringgit, so it's going to be 1% there. So late payment charge. Alamak, late pay. Why is cannot? Late payment here is going to be 1% from our 10 ringgit. Going from our 21 ringgit and 70 cent, and also our what? Outstanding balance. 4,800 ringgit. Is going to charge you double there. First, financial charge, and also is going to take from your outstanding balance also. So good, right? Using credit card. So good. So, late payment over here, how much? You have to plus first, 21 ringgit and 70 cent plus with 4,800 first, and then times by 1%. How much? Plus 4,800. Press equal. And then times with 0.01 lah. 1% is 0.01. 22 cents. There is the charges here. Financial charges, 15% daily, 15% daily. And late payment charge from our late payment, financial charge, and also our outstanding is going to be 1% from the total there. Okay. Now, how much did we need to pay? If you look over here, calculate his credit card outstanding balance on the 17th February. So you are going to have the first thing, the outstanding balance on January is going to be 4,800 plus with Financial charges there is 21 ringgit and 70 cent plus with late payment charges 48 ringgit and 22 cents. So the total here is going to be 92 cents. That's gonna be your no need lah. 92 cents is cents lah. Easy right? Huh? Easy right? Easy. Oh no no no. So remember financial charge is going to charge you per daily, yeah. So you have to find how many days? How many days? We done already. One done already. 822 already. Dia, is there any questions regarding this question? Regarding this question? Yeah. Is Dia with us? Dia Sleeping Beauty there. Sleeping what? Sleeping bear. Dia. Maybe my line. Maybe. Okay. So, okay. Thank you, Dia, for responding. Okay, Dia. So we stop until here first. So see you tomorrow, Dia.
Answer.
Ya.
Bagi gambar tak untuk jawapan ni?
Okay. I will post it in our group, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow, Dia. Thank you. Bye. So I'm going to stop the recording.